Okay, so this is what we're looking like right now. Started doing a lot of the lace detail, still this pinned. But I got 4 yards of the same kind of tulle as I used for the skirt. This is slightly whiter, but I actually like a slight contrast. And I got 4 yards for my veil. So it's going out. Still going. Bit of an overkill, maybe. But you know, you're only getting married once. I want a long veil. And so right now I'm just gonna cut the bottom. So pretty much I'm gonna cut a curve in the bottom so it flows nicely, so it's not like an awkward square. So I've cut the silver applique into little pieces and I'm just sewing them onto some mesh. Already did one right there. And then having them already together like this will make it much easier when I actually sew them to the straps. So I've sewed these on to the straps and I'm just adding little tiny pearls to the side. And then I'm going to be sewing on these little flowers. And then I think I'm going to be bringing the pearls down. And I just have it. So yesterday was my bridal shower, which makes the wedding about 7 weeks away. I just want to show some progress. So I'm pretty happy with how everything's looking. Maybe a couple more flowers here and there, but thus far I'm really happy about it.